Downloading account statements on Gemini is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your statements easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Gemini website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to download statements from. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Access the Statements section. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Statements, Reports, or Transaction History. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Select the statement period. Choose the specific time frame for the account statement you want to download. You may have options for monthly, quarterly, or custom date ranges. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired period, look for a download button or link. Click it to download your account statement, usually available in PDF or CSV format. Now you can easily access and review your account statements on Gemini. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Gemini's support team.